getting a list of attendees after you've conducted a regular Zoom meeting. It's easy if you're doing a webinar. It's a bit more difficult to get that list of attendees if you're holding a regular Zoom meeting. And this is how it's done. Go to My Account. Once you get here, go to Account Management. Click on it. Next, you'll select Reports. When that opens, the next thing you need is Active Hosts. Once that's selected, you'll see the meetings being displayed. What you need to do next is to click on the participants. Click on that number. It will display all of the details about that particular meeting. In this case, we're interested in the people that attended, so export this and it will export it to a CVS file, and you will have the names of the participants that were part of that meeting. Takes a little bit to get to it, but all the information is there, and if you really need a list of attendees, this is one way to get it. Stay safe, be free. I hope this helps.